A reliable source, citing investor forecasts and the company's latest financial data, claims that the price of the new iPhone SE2 will indeed be higher than expected. As it turned out, there are absolutely reasonable explanations for this. Why can a cheap iPhone be more expensive? In the current quarter, Apple is expected to launch 46 million iPhones, up 12% from last year. Of these, 6 million will be smartphones, iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9. It is not yet clear what the model will be called. The investor expects that such a smartphone will cost about $475. Moreover, earlier rumors pointed to a price of $400. In the second quarter of this year, iPhone production will be about 43 million units. Given that now the iPhone 8 starts at $350, and the iPhone 8 Plus at $450, we can assume that they will remain on sale after the release of iPhone SE2, iPhone 9 and will retire only in the fall. What is known about the iPhone SE2? This will be the first budget model of the iPhone after the iPhone SE, the price of which after the release in 2016 was $399. The new 4.7-inch model will be similar to the iPhone 8, released in 2017. The iPhone 8 smartphone remains on sale, its price starts at $449. According to rumors, iPhone SE2 will receive a new proprietary A13 processor paired with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of data storage. At the same time, for authentication, there will be a Touch ID fingerprint scanner, not Face ID. In 2020, Apple plans to release a new series of iPhones, which will include smartphones with support for 5G, a faster processor and a new 3D camera, previously reported. The release of the budget model may allow the manufacturer to compete in the fast-growing smartphone markets, especially in India, where the iPhone is still inferior to Android, which can be bought for less than 200 dinars. Apple plans to open its branded stores in India. Apple hopes iPhone sales will return to growth and exceed 200 million units in 2020. The new budget version of the iPhone can play a significant role in achieving this goal.